Welcome back, everyone. I hope you guys are all staying healthy and safe. Today we're going to continue working on the Tundra. Now, it's been a while since I released the video. I've been extremely busy and I've got quite a few parts to throw on the truck, and I feel like, hey, I'm out running some errands. What better time to do installs on the truck than now? So as we're stopping at some of these stoplights, we'll do some installs on the truck. As some of you guys may know, the last video I went through and installed a bunch of exterior accessories, the carbon fiber pieces from FP Plus, which I love, and I also did the TRD Pro rear bumper caps. They look great. Today we're going to go through and do the same on the interior. We're going to go through and just update some of the, I would say the look on the truck with some of the carbon fiber overlays. One thing I don't like about the Tundra is the fact that a lot of the, I would say, like panels and pieces in here, yes, they're like brushed silver or aluminum, whatever they are, but you got different patterns. Like this little dash piece is different from the vents. Your door handles are different from pretty much like everything else. So today I'm gonna go through and do little overlays on the truck, and what I'm actually gonna do is, because there's people honking at me, we're gonna pull over and just look at what we're gonna be doing today. Looks like a good spot. Stop here for a couple of minutes. I just can't stand the fact that they didn't use the same materials or colors on the interior. So you got your vents different from the little center dash piece. We have this gloss black piece right here under the shifter. So we're gonna go ahead and rectify that today. We're gonna go through and pull some of these pieces out to show you guys. So first up, we do have our little vent covers. These are going to be carbon fiber overlays. And just like the exterior pieces, these guys are going to attach, using this 3M or just double-sided sticky tape. Now, you can figure out which vent goes where, but, what's really nice about these guys, they literally will just pop on over these vents. Let's see. I believe that this guy is a passenger one for this big unit right here. Boom. We are going to have to open the door for that, so we'll get that done here in a minute. So the air vents come as a kit of 4. Oh, and there's Ziploc bags. I don't know why I'm ripping them open. There we go. But these guys will just pop on. So we pull the tape off. Come on now, that looks good. I like that. I'm just gonna lay these guys on here real quick before I pull the tape off to make sure that the fitment's good before we go wild. Door still closes. That's nice. I know, super difficult. We have the vents on. Next up, we need to get rid of this piece right here and make that match. Go ahead and open her up. Again, carbon fibre. So let's go ahead and pop this guy on. Again, just pull the double-sided sticky tape off. Now, the reason I'm laying these guys down without pulling the tape off, I want to make sure that I am putting these guys on in the right order, and it looks like you do want to do the dash pieces first. And then this guy right here, as I said, it's a 3-piece kit. Anyway, let me know what you guys think about these little knickknacks here and there. What do you guys think about this like carbon fiber look? And I'll go through and get some nice like cleaner shots of all this for you guys. Okay, what's next? So we have the dash. So we also have this piece right here that's going to be carbon fiber. I'm gonna pull that guy off from here. Actually, before I do this, steering wheel. As you guys know, I do have a TRD Pro steering wheel. Haven't had a chance to install it, and I don't think I'm actually going to install it. After looking at it, I really like the steering wheel. I just didn't like the little like brushed aluminum on here, and this fixes the problem. One thing I don't like about the TRD Pro steering wheel is the actual TRD like badge on it. It looks a little bit cartoonish to me, so for that reason, I probably won't be doing that steering wheel, but you never know. So now we have some of these little inserts for a steering wheel. Again, double-sided tape, and these guys will just pop in like so. That actually looks really killer. There we go. And I'm gonna go through and get some like really nice detail shots for you guys, so you guys can see this. It might be on the screen now. I don't know. Boom, we got this piece right here. As a excuse me, as I mentioned, gloss black right here. Which, why didn't we do everything in gloss black? Don't know. So we're going to replace it with this guy right here. Let's see if this is going to work, if I actually have to pull this shift knob off. I'm going to have to pull it off. There we go. Now you might be thinking, hey man, that looks out of place. Well, guess what? I'm going to put the old shift knob back on the TRD off-road one rather than this one, and I will show you why. Hey, that still looks out of place. No problem. Because we also have a carbon fiber little shift knob cover. Also double sided sticky tape. Let me see how this thing goes on before I pull this tape off. There we go. Look at that. This is starting to look like a race car. I was rushing to get out of the house, and I actually forgot a few of these pieces in my box over here. So, like I mentioned, we also have this little cup holder right here on the front. We're gonna throw that on. I'll get some shots of it. One thing I do wish that we had was also cover this right here. And even if it's not carbon, like fiber, gloss black, I think would be pretty killer. Also, I do have little door card overlays right here for the switches are and the sides. Again, I was rushing out and grab them, so right now you're going to see them because I will throw those on when I get back to them, and we'll throw those shots up as well. Another thing that I didn't bring, but for our little reading lamp right here, there's a cover to turn this into carbon fiber as well. And also, we do have a piece for the rear reading lamp back there, so I'll throw that on as well. I mean, overall, I like it. It's a good way to really switch up the look of the truck. I want to say that the steering wheel insert is my favorite one. I need to just pull this tape off and really clean this up beforehand, so I'll do that real quick. I'm actually going to run into REI right here, get some supplies. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about the build so far. You know, what you guys think about these interior pieces. Is it too much? Is it not enough? Do we need another color? I don't know. Just, you know, let me know. So if you guys haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel. You know, drop me a like below. And until next time, I hope you guys have a great day, and we'll see you. Bye.